Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by concentrating on oils and texture. Chop shrimp or smash heads to release natural scent and oil. Once done, mix the crushed shrimp with your binder to create a tacky paste. The binder controls durability and sink rate. Make sure to add a few drops of a strong attractant like fish sauce or anise to amplify the scent trail. You want a cohesive, slightly sticky dough that holds on hooks yet breaks down to create a scent cloud in current. Now you shape and reinforce the mixture for real fishing use. You should knead in water a little at a time until the paste is sticky but not soggy. That balance determines how fast it disperses. Once mixed, form balls or sausage shapes sized for your hook. If you expect long casts or rough currents, mix in a tablespoon or two of oil or a whole egg to increase cohesion. Remember, more cornmeal firms bait, more bread softens it, so adjust for targets. Finally, mount and maintain your bait so it performs. You should firmly mold the bait around the hook shank, leaving the point and barb clear. This ensures good hook sets while maximizing scent release. Once finished, refrigerate for up to 48 hours or freeze portions for later use. If your bait disintegrates on cast or in current, troubleshoot by drying it slightly or adding more binder. If it's too hard, add a touch of water or oil. That one adjustment usually fixes retention problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.